Okay, so, welcome. This is part 3 of doing the, static site generator written in Python. So, if you haven't seen the previous streams already, then you may not know that we've already built the basics for the static site generator. And that's essentially allowed us to make something like this, where the user just calls a bunch of stuff and it does it. Right? I don't know why it's suggesting that there's a bunch of stuff that's broken. But I guess we progress and we fix, and it seems to have fixed itself. That's okay. So I'm building this in Emacs because Emacs is, of course, the superior editor. I would be happy to see what your thoughts on that are, if you have a better editor. I guess we have Error Demon in the chat, who's a friend of mine, so I will add him as a standard moderator because I trust him enough. Okay, so so while we were off stream, I added a lot more to the source code. I added all of these new tags, which can be defined, and allow me to basically just see and do over all of the stuff. And it now has all the same functionality as my previous static site generator. No problem. Thank you to you two for actually joining the stream, Error Demon. The actual program itself is very simple. If I wanted to display an image or like a favicon, I can just come to here. Oh, I want to come to here, right? I just want to just change whatever the title is, and I can set it to like A. That's what it will display in the web browser. And then I just zoom out, open up my terminal, set into Eastwood, and then run the build script. Like so. It's that simple. And then we just come to Chrome, right? So create a new window. And then we just come to the local host 8888, and you'll notice that this little text up here is the same as what the text here is. So it actually compiled, and we can actually have a look at the source code it compiled it to. It's very simple. Come to here, this is what that compiled to. So you'll see our text is right here, in between two title tags, and like how HTML is meant to be formatted, which is great. So now that we have that, right, I can show you. There's no more commits. The last commit that I did was added the link parameter, and if you remember in the last stream, I uploaded it up onto GitHub, because GitHub is awesome, right? Let's come to here. We had this. Yeah, it was up on GitHub over the last stream. So I also did 3 tags, I guess, and wrote a very basic README, and all these OSs here were on stream, right? I got some notifications. And it's very simple, it's very cool, and it has 20 commits so far, and there is not a single pull request on the web page. So building this so far has been not a nightmare, but we've definitely ran into some unexpected scenarios where the, like, I don't know, where it just hasn't compiled or we've had issues. So this stream, or this part of the stream, is going to mostly be explaining how to use it, right? Okay, so the first thing here is this very important thing here. This tells the compiler where to compile to, right? So you'll notice that the same text that's here is the same text that's here. And this is what I showed you as the outputted compilation, right? So we essentially turned this, these are all commented by the way, we essentially turned all of this into this, which is all compiled normal HTML that just gets ran in there, right? So the compiler turned this into this. That's the simplicity. It's a byte converter, essentially. We needed to specify the init and the end, which essentially did this and this, right? And some other things. This init file contains some very important code, which tells the compiler where, like, the location of the file is that it should be outputted to. So, of course, as you can see here, these two match up because this is what the compiler outputted, right? Okay. And for all of these, for all of this, it essentially takes this source code here, which, just as an example, we might go with a really simple one like text. This text section here. So it defines a function called text, which asks us to parse through some text, and then it just surrounds that text in p tags. So you know these little p tags here, and then it parses through our text. So I can show you that right in here, right? So we call the text function, we parse through some text, and it will be wrapped in those p tags. If I cd into Eastwood, and I run the build script, and I come over to Chrome, and I create a new window, and I come to the local host, then you'll notice that we have this A tag here. And if we come to the HTML, yes, I want to read it from the disk, then you'll notice it's A surrounded in these P tags, and that's how that compiler works. It's pretty beautiful, right? Very simple. This whole program is very similar to a previous program that I did that I don't know if I showed off on stream. Essentially, it's a cut clone copy of this, except it's built in a very interesting language known as fucking JavaScript. Yeah, in case you couldn't tell, I hate JavaScript. It was a lot more simpler if we come to the source code here. It was only 82 lines of code compared to my monstrous 89 lines of code. Essentially you would put this here, and that's including all of this padding that's here as well. Essentially this was, I didn't like this because JavaScript is just a pain in the ass, and I wanted to be able to create your own dedicated file that turns into, essentially, the file. So we created our own dedicated index.py file. We imported the two necessary libraries, this init file and this source main file here, which is all of this. And from that, we were able to call individual functions, and those functions then turned into valid HTML that could be read by the compiler. Very, very cool. I just need to ask you, do you think I should team tags to my game or no? Why do I hate JavaScript? Oh boy. JavaScript syntax was like if it was thrown together in one day. JavaScript has a lot of really weird mathematical glitches and errors, and I still like the fact that JavaScript can directly talk to like my HTML file, like this, right? But anything beyond that, like attempting to import libraries written in JavaScript, is a complete nightmare. JavaScript was designed for just functions in web development. That's not what it is. It's so much more complicated than that, and it is so horrendous. It's a complicated and half-broken language that doesn't make any sense to, like, any sane person. Sorry, I was supposed to say add, not a. I just need to ask you, do you think I should add team tags to my game or not? I have no idea what team tags are. So, Angstrom Nitro, I built this web page with it, right? Very cool web page. It's written with Angstrom Nitro, but you'll notice it's a little bit slow on the first loading. And that's what this aims to fix, is that you precompile it just into raw HTML. Beautiful, raw HTML, right? That just goes really fast. And that was my plan, initially, right? That was my plan, initially. Until it happened, in which case I was, you know, happy with it, but I wasn't happy that I had to build it every single time I would have to deploy it. There's nothing I can do about that now, but for this episode, mostly, it's just going to be me building a doc site, beautifully, essentially, to my best content. So, let's make a directory. Make a directory, and we'll call it docs, right? Okay? Right, beautiful. Now we have a docs directory. Come into here with it. Right? We want to create a new file. We want to call it docs/index.py. Right? Okay? And then we oh my god, this is horrendous. If we come to here, we go // okay? We just need to copy these. So we need to copy this, first off, because that's very important. I don't know why I didn't just copy the whole buffer, but okay. We're actually getting to something now. We create an init.py file, and we just paste this, right? And come back to here. Come to here. Okay, what else do we need? We need a main.py file. So we just copy that whole buffer. Come over to here. Create a source/main.py file. Yes, I want to create it, right? And then we paste it, and then we do that, and so, okay, I'm sure that's fine. Come to here, do that, boom, we got some beautiful boomer code right there. Come here, .. update that, boom, we have everything that we need. Now, we just go from source.main, import everything you got, and then from init, import everything that you got. Boom. Now it's time to get to building the website. The first thing that we want to do is call our init function and parse through our file location, and of course get our end function and parse through our file location. Right, beautiful. Next thing we're going to do, call the title function and parse through, of course, Eastwood, which is the name of this. And first bit of text that we want on the website, we want a basic header that says Eastwood SSG. So that's what it is. It's an SSG. We need to parse through other stuff. That's right. We need to parse through an ID, a class, an other, and our weight will be 1. Like that. Boom. Very, very cool. Okay. Now it's just a matter of coming to here, Control-Cing that, cding into docs, Python 3 index.py, creating a HTTP server on port 88888. Come to here, create a new Chrome window, come to here, localhost, and there is our text that we just got from there. Beautiful. We have a web page up. We have a web page functioning. So I'm just going to stick that in the corner, take that, move that down there. Okay. The next step is style. So we need to add some style to this web page, right? Because this web page is looking bad. So we'll create a style function, and we'll parse through where our style.css file is going to be. Right, that doesn't exist just yet. That's okay. We're going to create said style.css function, and for our body, we're going to have a beautiful background color of hashtag 222222. Boom. Then for our text color, we're just going to make it white. Then we're not done yet. Make sure we run the 2 compilation commands again, reload it. There we go. That's what we want. Okay, now let's find a beautiful, and I mean a beautiful font. It's probably going to be something like Fira Mono, because I really like Fira Mono. Fira Mono is a great font. Come to here. Fira Mono. Great font. I use this for basically everything. I'm going to get my embed code, right? Make sure that's the only one. Take the import, grab it from here. Make sure that we close off that CSS tag. Come up, paste it. Oh, we don't need that. Boom. I just... Jesus Christ, man. I love Emacs. Beautiful. Great, now that we have that, we come down to here. Oh, we have the Firecode Mono regular crap going on here. See, mark this as a font. Close that off. Boom. Come to here. Come to here. We don't want any of that. No, 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 no. No, we don't. We come to here. Boom. Oh, it's okay. Tab. Tab. Boom. Come to here. We reload the website. Boom. There's our beautiful font. Applied. Beautiful. Installed. Let's make some text. Let's write some text for this website, because we have nothing. We have nothing in this site so far. Okay, let's write some beautiful text that will literally make people cry. Okay? I'm gonna make this a multi-line string. Like that. And then we can just write whatever text we want in here. Eastwood is a ssg static site generator built in Python 3, like that, right? I wrote it in Emacs, the best editor, and tested it with the amazing build script. Okay, that's going to be our text for now. Then, boom, come to here. Oops, shit. Come to here, do that, reload the web page, and there is our beautiful text provided and installed. And that's how fast I managed to just boot up a website with Eastwood. This is the power of static site generators. Oh, man. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful, right? Okay. So, let's, of course, this is our code right here, right? Okay. Our code is, it's great. It's great. But it could be improved tremendously. That's fine, though. All that we have is this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this, and I think it's, yes, it is ID. We're going to give it an ID of head, right? Actually, no, I like using classes for that. It comes here. Dot head class, right? Okay, boom. Let's write some more CSS, okay? So the very first thing that we want to do is we want to go text align center. And once we have that, we want to just see how that looks, you know? Just see how that looks. Did I actually say that? Or is this just laying up with me now? You know, it does that. Okay, it knows it's there. You wanna reload, buddy? You wanna, reload? You know, like, work for me for a second? Oh, it's because I didn't actually compile it. Once again, we need to compile it. We need to compile it. Boom. We got that right there. Centered text. Okay, so in my previous Nitro website, I had a beautiful. Let's just see if this shows up on Google if I search up Angstrom Nitro. No, I want to search up Angstrom Nitro. Come to here, Rhhen, beautiful. Come down to here, Angstrom Nitro. In my docs, I had a beautiful thing in my CSS, for my breaker, wherever it was. .nav.note. Is it here? Did I put it in here? Did I? Did he? Did he do it? Did he do it? Did he do it? Did he do it? Genuine question though. Did he do it? Main.js. It's my HR. Oh, here we go. Here's what I did for HR. Which is beautiful, by the way. I'm gonna do this for BR. Boom. Don't know why that has so much goddamn padding. Okay. And then come to here. Boom. Did he? Did he do it though? That's my question. So this is not you're not calculating. I'm on business here. I'm on business. Business here, okay? Business, okay? Come here. Just call the breaker function. Come to here. Compile it. Open up a new TIG server. Reload it, and it's not colored. Interesting. Interesting. HR. Why did I use HR instead of BR for that beautiful breaker? I guess I might as well add this now, right? This is like something that I gotta add. I don't even know what HR does. What does HR do? What does that even do? We're back here. Border black. Maybe I need to give it a width of 100%. Oh. Interesting. You can never tell. You can just never tell, can you? Interesting. Interesting. If I make... Oh, I know what the issue is. Do you even remember what the issue is? You can still be who you wish you is. It ain't happened yet, and that's what a tuition is. Huh. I don't know why that's happening. I might as well introduce it. What do I do if my map builder does not feel like map building? Do I slap him or put him in my basement? Are you trying to make a Roblox game here? Are you trying to make a Roblox game here? Genuine question. Because it sounds like you're trying to make a game. To me, at least. It does. It sounds like you're trying to make a game. To me. You know. The person. Hello. I'm here. Come all the way down here and create a new definition. We're going to call it HR. Don't need to parse anything through it. You know what it's going to do? It's just going to app, parse through the file location, parse through HR, human resources, parse through false. Then it's just going to be as simple as chilling out, dude. Yeah, dude. It's just going to be as simple as that. Truly, dude. Dot dot slash dot dot slash. Boom. Come to here. Come to here. Come to here. Din 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 din. Yes, I am working on a game, and my workers are not working. Whip them. Chuck them in the basement and whip them. They'll learn. They'll learn to not disrespect you after a while. They'll understand that someone doesn't fuck around with you. Someone will understand that doing that is a bad idea. I'm not insane, you're insane. My wife left me. My wife left me. My wife left me. My wife left me. What? Huh? I said nothing. Okay, beautiful. HR. We got that all lined up. We actually don't need that, so we're just gonna boom. None of my workers can make GUI, so I had have to do all of that, and sure, I will do what you said. You know, I know how to code in Lua. You know that, right? I know how to code in Lua, which is the programming language that Roblox uses. I could help you out. I mean, I don't have anything to do apart from this. I mean, I could help you. I could absolutely help you make your Roblox game. Okay. So I think, oops. Ba-boom. Control C. Boom. Boom. Ba-boom. Let's hope that this works, and it does. There is a beautiful line. Yes, I would absolutely help you with your Roblox game. I know how to code Lua. Really, I do know how to code Lua. Yeah, I would help you. I would be a scripter. Sure. Okay. So this is it. This is our beautiful website. Just for now, right? I want to add a button that oh god, I think I'm dying. Oh god, I think I'm dying. It's okay though. I'm okay. There's no reason to worry. You don't need to worry. Okay, so button ID class and OT. Okay. That makes sense. Beautiful. Come to here. Button. Because that would be cool as. Yeah, no problem. I absolutely could. Yeah, I know how to code in Lua because I've just done it, I guess. I did it when I was making my NeoVim config, and NeoVim uses Lua. Okay, ID, class, and OT. So for now, I'm just gonna make the button empty because I want to stylize it. Boom. Compiled. We have a button, but it looks... Bro, don't die before I enslave you. Yeah, okay. I won't die. I don't think. At least I hope I won't die. Boom. Come to here. Boom. Okay. We want to add logic for our button. Right? So, actually, we'll make this for... Because this is going to be the only button on the website, right? We can be cheap about this, right? We can create the background color. We can make it... Ooh. What's a nice color? Oh, like... Boom. Like that. Reload it. Okay, that's... I like that, I guess. I want to round that. Border radius is going to be like a nice 20 pixels. And adding padding, I think I usually go with like 10 pixels of padding. Like that. Reload. Okay, it's looking nice. I don't want any border, so I'm just going to make border 0 pixels. Like that. And then make it so that it text aligns center, I guess. Yeah. I don't even know how to align a button in the center. Wow, I'm horrendous. I don't even know how to do that. How to align a button in center CSS. I don't know. I don't know. How to center a button. Vertical center. Sure, it's fine. I can just copy this untested, unran, just make sure to comment it because I don't actually understand what's going on with that code. Paste it, I guess. Come to here, tab, The hell? Tab, tab, tab. 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 Ba-boom. Come to here. Ba-boom. And it's broken for some reason. Ba-da-da-da. And it's not working for some reason. Ba-da-da. That what? Vertically, I just want to center it. I just want to center it. Ah! I just want to center it. I just want to center it. I don't even know how I did it on here. I just want to center it. I just want to center. I just want to center. I just want to center. I just want to center it. But my code from back then was actually horrendous. It made me want to die on the inside. But I can see that. Ba-da-da-da. I see that. Ba-da-da-da. I see that. Ba-da-da-da. Okay. Font size. Button. How did I do it? Did I just seriously do text align center? Must have gone. Like that? That must have worked somehow. I don't even know how that would have worked, but we're gonna test it anyways, I guess. And the button still doesn't center. Big button. How? Message redacted? What did you type? What did you type that was so redacted? Huh? What did you type there, buddy? I don't... It doesn't make sense. It genuinely doesn't make sense. Cursor, pointer, border, radius. It lines up with my code, but it just also doesn't. Why do I keep doing that? I genuinely don't. Bro, my workers got the game banned once. What? How long have you had a Roblox game up for? Seriously though, and what is it even about? What's the game about? Right? That's what I'm curious about. So I want to make that color. Yeah, make it white. Yeah, like that. Boom. Reload. Beautiful. Can you, like, you know, inherent this? Just paste. What the hell? Why did that zoom out? Yeah, there we go. That's a little better. That's actually... Are you sure? It's a shooter. Yeah, I'm sure I'd help you. It surely can't be that hard. Like, how are you hosting... Like, I don't even know fully about Roblox. If you could, like, show me how to edit the code, I'd probably be able to. I mean, I think I tried once to make a Roblox game, and it was very simple. I think it was like an obby, and I made some very basic Lua script to get it to work. As long as I can open it on Emacs, it shouldn't be that hard to just use it, you know? Okay. I'm either going to have to give this an on-click function which makes it open a new tab window with the README, with the README in mind. Probably what I'm going to have to do. So I can do that pretty easily by just making it on click, call a JavaScript function, and then I can just define said JavaScript function right here, right? You know? So I could just call the function read me. Don't have to parse anything through it. And just make it. And just make it so that it window dot location dot href, I think that's it, its way over to come to here, come to here, come to here, come to here, copy this, paste this, you know, like that, then compile it, then reload it, and now it's not working. It doesn't work. On click, read me. Unquote reference, readme is not defined at HTML button element on click. What the fuck does that mean? Chat, what does that mean? I don't even know what that means. Dude, I don't even know what that means, let alone how that works. Like, the fuck I look like? Somebody who knows what they're doing? No, I don't know what I'm doing. Boom. Hopefully, and I mean really hopefully, doesn't give me another stupid ass error. I'm about to rip my head off. It's not even that anymore. I recompiled it, dude. I recompiled it for this exact... I don't even... okay, you don't even know how you edit your own source code. That's reassuring. Okay, first off. Right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 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 Good. Control C. Do that. Finally, brother! There we go. It loads. There we go. Okay. That's good enough to deploy. I'm going to deploy that now. What do you mean untracked files? Yeah, add my entire docs directory. Commit it. Added a web page. Docs. Beautiful. Push both of those upstream. Okay, now they're on GitHub, right? Now they're both on GitHub. Okay, we just got that. Added web page, docs. Here's all my docs. I need to now open this. And what's an SSG? It's a static site generator. So an SSG essentially generates a website for you. This is just the third SSG I've made in the past year. I might have an obsession. You know, I might. Okay, GitHub pages source saved, and now if I come back to here, it's deploying it. I think. I hope. If I come to here, it should be deploying it. It should. We just better hope that it doesn't fail on the first deployment. Did he leave? I think he left. What's the Jekyll theme? What the fuck? Jiggle theme? What is this shit? Oh, I don't know what this is. Doesn't make any sense to me. He's back! He's back. There's 2 people watching now, at least, I think. There's quite a few people watching. Okay. Okay, so we should have this up. Yeah, okay. Oh. Didn't I provide an index.html file? Yes or no? Did I not? Did I or did I not? Yeah, it's right there. Is it? Oh, did I block that out that much? Did I? I didn't even do it universally, asshole. I didn't even fucking do it universally. I didn't even do it universally. What the fuck do you mean? I'm gonna rip my fucking veins out. Holy shit, this is stupid. This shit is stupid. Fucking hell, this shit is stupid. Okay. I don't know why it's gone and done this. But it has. Maybe it's my very small understanding of how this piece of shit thing works. But I'm like 50% sure that that's not how it works. Also, how the fuck do I keep managing to change that? Okay. What the hell? No! I just want to stage this one, and this one. And this one. See, these are all the things I want to stage. Fixed web deployment. Boop boop. Push it. Nope. Push it. Upstream. Quit it. Did he? Or did he not? That's the real question here. That's, I know, it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. It truly is. It's astonishing how intelligent I am. The intelligence in my big noggin. I am so intelligent. My intelligence subsedes the wills of God himself. My intelligence. The did he or did he not? But did he? Did he? Did he? Really? Really? Did he? Am I about to get demonetized, motherfucker? I don't know. Probably. I shouldn't be saying this. Oh, man. Oh, man. I am so fucked. Why is this taking so long? It's done. It completed the job. The job is done. And there we go. We managed to deploy it from a local place on our computer up onto the beautiful web. And we are not done. No, we are not done. Because I want to see something. I have a really funny idea, right? Yes, so download it. Oh, okay. So, in this is, by the way, a web browser in my terminal. FYI, you know. I want to see if it can connect to localhost 888. Oh, wow, it did. Holy shit, that's actually really fucking cool. Bro needs to be in a mental asylum. Wow, you could not have said anything more garneringly intelligent. That is the intelligence of that. Is you are just a smart. You are a smart man. You are a smart man. A smart man. Just so smart. So W. No, don't spam. Don't spam. Don't spam. This is pretty cool, by the way. I still think this is fucking awesome. I can do this. This is just in my web browser. I can even fucking print it. I can mail the fucking file. What else can I do? I can delete my search history. I don't know why I would need to do that. I'm not freaky like that. I'm not freaky. I can't remember if in the past I did. Hold up. Did I do that in the past? Hold up. Eastwood. I shouldn't have any HTML in the repository, right? Yeah, no, I don't. I don't have HTML in the repository. It's beautiful. Chat, is he freaky oiled up Sonic? No, I've seen those fuck-ass Sonic inflation videos. Man, they are nasty. They are like actually like fucking horrendous. I hate that shit. That shit makes me want to fucking vomit. Like, you did that to fucking Sonic. Sonic is like a fucking teenager. Yeah, but the internet's fucking freaky. Man, honestly, the internet is freaky. Honestly. The internet's freaky. Bro. The internet is legit freaky. I'm sorry to say, but the internet is like a whole communion of fucking freaky deeks. Yeah. So, oh, man. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. I am so tired. I am so tired. Sonic is 40. No, he's fucking not. No, he's not. Sonic is not 46 fucking years old. I refuse to believe that. No, Sonic's not. Sonic's way younger than that. Holy fuck, he's 34! Sonic is 34! It's not what Iridemon said, but none the fucking less. That is 34 years fucking old. He's 34. He's 34. He's 34. Why? 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 Why is Sonic? Why? I thought he was like a fucking teenager. No, he's like in his 30s, halfway through his fucking midlife fucking crisis. From the movies, he doesn't seem like a fucking 34-year-old. If he was a 34-year-old, I feel like he would be having like kids and like issues and like breaking up with his girlfriend and then having like a fucking divorce or some shit. Not fucking running around wherever the fuck place he does, being a fucking piece of shit. Anyways, the stream is definitely getting demonetized. Oh, I got a comment on one of my TikToks. Let's see what they said. Okay, let's make some, Oh, fucking drooping rose emoji. How fucking creative. How fucking creative. Well, people are just so creative, you know? How old is Sonic in real time? If you were to age him in real time, then Sonic would now be 46! That's if he were to age in, like, human time, though, right? Like, but Sonic obviously ages different. But even in Sonic's aging difference, he's still 30-fucking-6! 30-fucking-4, I mean. Bro. He's old. That is one old mofo. That is one old mofo. Okay, I think this is about where we wrap up the stream. If you got anything else you'd like me to do, then just say that, I guess. Yeah, I'm planning to make a new, new video. If you go check on my main channel, Rhhen122, which is, you know, it's beautiful. I have another channel, by the way. I don't know if you knew that, but I have another channel. Right? Boom. I got some videos on it. Like me preaching the gospel of Emacs, a showcase of Rhhen and my 0 to IDE video of my NeoVim config. Bro's crashing out and Mario is 44. Shut the fuck up! Please! Please, my child is fucking 44! Why? Yeah, so if you haven't watched this video,
yeah,
I recommend that you do. I recommend that you do.
Come here, come here.
It took quite a few takes. I also have some pretty cool freaking intros, if you ask me. Yeah, they take me a while. I also make music. If you didn't know that, I put stuff on Spotify. I put a lot of stuff on Spotify. If you haven't listened to my, if you
actually like
fuck off Monday CRM, I don't give a shit. I make a lot of music, so maybe go check that out because I spend a lot of time on that. You know, very cool music. I make good music. Sorry, I still think that this music is fire. Anyways, have a good one. I'll see you in the next stream. And, goodbye, I guess. See ya. Have a good one.